Hello friends, welcome to Smart Shiksha. Today we are going to discuss about current affairs July 2021. Before we start the video, please share the video with your family and friends. Your subscription motivates me to do more such kind of video. So let's start the topic. Question number 1. Which organization released the report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? Which organization released the report titled COVID-19 and Tourism? Answer is option number B. Answer is option number B. On card. Option number B on card is the right answer. Next question. Which country has produced VT4 battle tanks? Which country has produced VT4 battle tanks that were recently introduced by Pakistan into its army? Which country has produced VT4 battle tanks? Answer is option number C. China. VT4 battle tanks produced by China that are used by Pakistan. China-Pakistan bonding. VT4 battle tanks. Pushkar Singh Dhami, who were recently become 11th and youngest chief minister of Uttarakhand, is an MLA from which constituency? Pushkar Singh Dhami is the CM of Uttarakhand. Is MLA from option number C. Khatima constituency. 11th youngest chief minister of Uttarakhand. Next question. As of 2021, which is the world's largest political party? As of 2021, which is the world's largest political party? Answer is option number B. Bharatiya Janata Party is the world's largest political party. Next question. Hao Yifan, who won the 2020 Women's Speed Chess Championship, is from which country? Hao Yifan, who won the 2021 Women's Speed Chess Championship, is from which country? Answer is option number C. China. Hao Yifan is from China. What is the priority sector lending? What is the priority sector lending target from micro enterprises as mandated by RBI? What is the priority sector lending targeted from micro enterprises as mandated by RBI? Answer is option number B. Option number B, 7.5% mandated by RBI. Next question. Who is the head of the Development Council for Cement Industry? Who is the head of the Development Council for Cement Industry set up recently by the government? Answer is Puneet Dalmia. Puneet Dalmia is the head of the cement industry. Next question. Researchers from which university has begun the clinical trial of potential HIV vaccine? HIV Concepts X. HIV vaccine, HIV Concepts X. From which university? Answer is option number A. Oxford University. Option number A. Oxford University. HIV Concepts X. GIE certified jasmine flowers. GIE certified jasmine flowers which making recently belongs to which state? GIE certified jasmine flower is from Tamil Nadu. Option number B. Tamil Nadu. GI tag from Tamil Nadu. Next question. Nihal Sarin, who was seen in newspaper recently, is associated with which sports? Nihal Sarin is associated with option number C. Chess. Nihal Sarin is associated with chess. Which union ministry is associated with the Trafficking in Person Bill 2021? Which union ministry is associated with the Trafficking in Person Bill 2021? Answer is option number B. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Ministry of Women and Child Development Bill 2021. Next question. Valmiki National Park Valmiki National Park, which was seen in the news recently, is only national park of which state? Valmiki National Park is from Bihar. Valmiki National Park is from Bihar. Next question. Former Union Minister Thawar Chand Gehlot has been appointed by the new governor of which state? Thawar Chand Gehlot has been appointed as the new governor of which state? Answer is option number B, Karnataka. Option number B, Karnataka. Thawar Chand Gehlot was the governor of Karnataka recently. Next question. Which country issued a commemorative coin making the centenary of Chinese Communist Party? Which country issued with a commemorative coin marking centenary of Chinese Communist Party? Answer is option number A, Sri Lanka. Issued with commemorative coin. Issued with commemorative coins. Next question. As per a recent Lancet study, what is the approximate number of annual deaths in India due to abnormal temperatures? Due to abnormal temperature. Answer is option number D. Option number D is the right answer. 7 lakh. 7 lakh abnormal temperature death in India. Next question. What is the number of indicators induced in the global SDG database as per the SDG report 2021? What is the number of indicators included in the global SDG database as per the SDG report 2021? Answer is 211. Option number A, 211 is the right answer. Next question. Which institution released the report titled The Hunger Virus Multiplies? The Hunger Virus Multiplies. Which institution released? Answer is option number C, Oxfam. Oxfam released The Hunger Virus Multiplies. Next question. The RBI has asked the banks to phase out with. The RBI has asked the banks to phase out which benchmark rate mandatory by December 31. RBI has asked the banks to phase out which benchmark rate? Answer is option number A, LIBOR. Answer is LIBOR, benchmark rate. Next question. Jaila Avantgarde, who was seen in the news recently, is the winner of which competition? Jaila Avantgarde, who was seen in the news recently, is the winner of which competition? Answer is option number A, National Spelling Bee Contest. Option number A, National Spelling Bee Contest. Next question. India adopted 2030 roadmap and held its inaugural meeting of financial market dialogues with which country? India adopted 2030 roadmap and held its inaugural meeting of financial marketing dialogue with which country? Answer is option number B, UK. Option number B, UK is the right answer. Next question. Who is the Union Health Minister of India after Dr. Harshvardhan? Who is the new Union Health Minister of India after Dr. Harshvardhan? Answer is option number C, Mansukh Mandavya. Mansukh Mandavya is the right answer. Next question. The India Industrial Land Bank (IILB) is an initiative of which union ministry? The India Industrial Land Bank IILB is an initiative of which union ministry? Answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Option number A, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next question. Which country has re-elected by Abiy Ahmed as its Prime Minister? Abiy Ahmed as its Prime Minister. Abiy Ahmed as its Prime Minister. Option B, Ethiopia. Ethiopia is the country. Abiy Ahmed is the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. Next question. When the National Fish Farmers Day, when the National Fish Farmers Day celebrated in India? Answer is option number C, July 10. 10th July is celebrated as National Fish Farmers Day in India. Next question. Which institution is set to organize a national level hackathon named Samvedan 2021 along with Sony India? Which institution is set to organize national level hackathon named Samvedan 2021 along with Sony India? Answer is option number B, IIT Madras. IIT Madras is the right answer. Samvedan 2021. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.